Now we are going to look at how to combine strings or sequences. So if you want to combine strings and sequences, then there are a number of ways you can do it. Okay, I'll give you some approaches here. So let's start with the first one. By the way, combining strings or sequences, we also call that concatenation. So let's just look at some of them. Let's say I have DNA1, or so let's say AGT. I have DNA2, TTC, or TT, yeah. So if I want to combine, I can just say, let's say combined, because I can say DNA1 is supposed to be this way plus DNA2. So now I can print it. So I can say print combine. So that'll give me my combined sequences. Okay. Let me just add this. This is approach 1. Okay, let's try with a name. Let's say first name equals bioinformatics. Second name equals coach. So if I want to combine them, let's say I want to get full name to be equals to what? First name plus second name. So now let's print it. You have it this way. Okay, so there's a name, so you expect that there should be a space character. Okay, so you will be tempted to just do it this way. You can just say this plus a space character plus this. Okay, and then if you print it, you are going to get the full name with a space. But there are much elegant ways of doing this. Okay, so that leads me to string formatting. Okay, so let's look at approach 2. Approach 2 and approach 3 are string formatting. So in approach 2, let's just copy everything here, the first and second names again. So if I want to get a full name, I can say full name equals, and then I bring my quotes, and I'll say %s space %s. So these are string formatting techniques. And then bring this percentage symbol again, and I say first name, second name. There is something that I'll cover in details in another tutorial. Okay, so if you have any challenge, you want further explanation, you can always contact me. So I can have it this way. So now if I print it, I should have Bioinformatics Coach. Okay, so this and this are placeholders. Okay, the S here indicates that we are going to add a string character. This is also a string character. Okay, and so these are the string characters. We have 1, 2. The reason why this is a better approach to this, the first one here, approach 1 here, is that here it's easier to combine string characters with numbers. Okay, it's easier to combine string characters with numbers and other data types. It's possible to do that when you have the string formatting. So if you take a look at our percentage GC, for example, let's check this one here. I can do the same thing using this approach here. Okay, I can just, let me just use the print statement, or let me just, I can say this percentage S, or let me just use that because we already had the statement there. So percentage GC is, and I can say percentage D or 0.2F. This is a float character. And then I can just print the percentage GC. So that will also give me an answer. So when you are combining strings, you can use the string formatting to do that. Now, there's another strange formatting approach that's also available. That's the string.format. So that's approach 3. So in approach 3, let's just create this once again. So I have it this way. So I can just say full name equals, bring my quotes, and I'll use a curly bracket and another curly bracket, and I'll say dot format, and I'll say first name, second name. So now I can print it full. Okay, you can do some advanced operations with this particular approach as well, but that is something that is beyond the scope of this tutorial. So let's proceed. Now let's go to indexing and slicing.